Let us look at our next formula of this section, that is formula for finding the area of the triangle. Now we already know that the area of the triangle is given by the formula half into base into height, but with the help of these coordinates we are going to derive the formula. Now as for this I have taken one triangle A, B and C with coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 respectively. I have to find the area of this triangle. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will be considering a rectangle which is enclosed or which is enclosing this triangle. So let me draw this rectangle. It should be intersecting the vertices of the triangle. Okay, so as you can see I have got a rectangle out here. So if I have to find the area of this triangle ABC, I can find the area of this rectangle and subtract the areas of these three triangles. So if I name this as triangle 1, triangle 2 and triangle 3, so finding the area of rectangle and subtracting it areas of these three triangles will give me the required area of the triangle. Okay, so for that, now as we already know, these three are the right angle triangles. Okay, so for finding the area of this triangle I have to know the sum of these two perpendicular sides. So if I got to know the length of this side, even these two sides and even these two sides, I can find the area of these three triangles. Okay, so with the help of the coordinates we have, let us find out the length of this remaining sides. Now how much is this length? This total length is x3 because C is the point here, so the distance is x3, whereas this length is x2. So what could be the length of this side? So the length of this side would be x3 minus x2. Okay, so I hope everybody has understood how did I get this value. See, this total length is x3, whereas this length is x2, and hence this length will be x3 minus x2. Similarly, you have to find the other lengths also. Let us find out this length. What is this complete length? This is y3, and how much is this length? It is y2. So this will be y3 minus y2. Coming back to this triangle, let us find out this length. How much is its total length? From the x-axis, this is y1, whereas this length is y2. So this length will be y1 minus y2. What about this length? This total distance is x1, whereas this distance is x2. So it will be x1 minus x2. So these two triangles also I have got. Now I am left with this triangle. How much is its total length? This total length is x3. Yes, and I have to find only this much length. And how much is this much length? This length is x1. See, you have to just look at the vertices and find out the coordinates. This length is x1, whereas this length is x3, and therefore this length will be x3 minus x1. And the last remaining length, this total length is y1, whereas this length is y3, so it will be y1 minus y3. So now you have got all the lengths of the three triangles, and just we have to derive the formula. Now what is the area of the triangle? Length into breadth. Do you know the length? Yes. Do you know the breadth? Yes. Okay, so let us find out that. So area of required triangle. Now required triangle means our triangle ABC will be equal to area of rectangle minus area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2 plus area of triangle 3. So area of these three triangles we will be adding and we will be subtracting. So don't forget to make a bracket. Okay, area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length is my x3 x2, whereas breadth is my y1 minus y2, minus area of triangle 1, half into, what is the base? x1 minus x2. What is the height? y1 minus y2 plus second triangle, half into, this is the second triangle is above there, so the base is x3 minus x1 and height is y1 minus y3 plus third triangle, half into, what is the base? It is x3 minus x2 and what is the height? y3 minus y2. Okay, now we have to just simplify this equation, just go on multiplying. So x3 into y1 is x3 y1 minus x2, sorry, x3 y1 minus x3 y2 minus x2 y1 plus x2 y2. Meanwhile, I am taking this, sorry, here it is 2. I am taking this 1/2 out of the bracket. First, let us simplify. So just go on multiplying x1 y1 minus x1 y2 minus x2 y1 minus minus plus x2 y2. This is complete simplification part. So you have to just go on multiplying it. Next one is x3 into y1 minus x3 y3 minus x1 y1 plus x1 y3. Further, the last multiplication is remaining. x3 into y3 is x3 y3 minus x3 y2 minus x2 y3 and minus into minus is plus x2 y2. Okay, so now see if you